See, when you say Jagaba, Jagaba is a grand patron, according to Sani. He's the senior organizer or protester.
Do you not think it's at time Nigerians now they come out to protest? Just like the Imam said, no amount of bribe will stop them from protesting.
See, you are welcome. Your language and your statement and your question is very good. You see, we are all Nigeria. We see the situation on ground. The situation is bad. You see, protest is part of awareness, telling the government that their system is bad, is zero. You see, we must go. See, when you say Jagaba, Jagaba is a grand patron, according to Sani. He's the senior organizer or protester. Then they chase them out. But now in turn, they go chase them out because he failed. The person when you chase out yesterday, the person failed. That's why he able to mobilize and chase them out. But now in turn, he failed. So why not chasing him out too? See, you must face what you pay for. You can't sow corn and reap cassava. It's not possible. Let us be frank here. Jagaba failed the test. Those early mama, everybody want die for Sarah. If you call this afternoon, call no home again. If you call this evening, graveyard. Grave will not full. Okay, who buried the dead? Who will bury the dead? So everybody will be dead. See, it's a welcome development. Let Nigeria, whether you be Yoruba, Igbo, Hausa, come outside and tell them, say, enough is enough. No to your policy. Your policy is a deadly policy. It's a deadly policy. Okay, you selling rice 500 naira. Before you over 500 you can chop rice, beans, egg, and fish 500. But now, only one egg 300. Okay, why you not say we should not protest against you? When you are sitting in the throne of 40 million Nigeria, you are punishing them. Are you punisher? It's bad. You came with the language and say, I'm a Jagaba. I'm the lion of the forest. It is my turn. Okay, go. I know why your property. Rule us. You finish us. We don't tire for you. We will protest.
Well, we see, Oshomole don't come.
Oshomole and those one. All those are they are carcass of the corridor of demonic power.
But Oshomole, he blasts Tinubu and he said his policy is bad. That's his friend.
If he like he blast, if he like he blast, if he like he don't blast, what we will not say, all of them are bed of the same feather. May they don't want us. We don't tire for that money. January, petrol on go yakpa, February this one go yakpa, border go open. See today, today is 15 July. Hungry increase every day. Suffering increase every day. Unemployment increase every day. No work, no life, nothing. Okay, why are you telling us? We are tired. We don't tire to carry any more of their shit. Their shit don't too much. They smell. We have to live accordingly. This is not Nigeria that you and I know. You will never suffer like this before. The first time in the history of Nigeria, and a lion come down on top of throw elephant, small rabbit. He say no, if kill them. You understand? You can't go far. Fulani asked me everywhere. Okay, Buhari left. You came. Anyhow, you do something, let us see. But every day, promise, have patience. Now you want to take good Lord Jonathan wife position, patient. Your wife say have patience. Your son say have patience. You say have patience. How long? Enough is enough. Please. Tell them the language that we are tired of their systematic demonic ruling. The language they should stop lying. They are lying not too much. Who will not agree? You understand? They lie every day. Are they afraid? Let us see. Nigeria will not wake up. Nigeria, Tatatas for Nigeria, no say Jagaba and cause in hungriness.
But import duties for food stuff.
What? Stuff. When the food stuff went ban, when the one went drink. You see, others are talk. They talk. All is lie. All is brainwash. They will let you see, say, tomorrow food go there. Go ask them now, make them set beans for you for a year. No 300 naira beans. See, imagine. Okay, why like this? We are too big for this suffering. Suffering and smiling. How many years wait for last singer? Now he come like say he come even bad. Why? That time and now. What time Nigeria don't get one part that time. Nigeria, okay, now you just come from nowhere. Say, we don't say you get liver. Okay, now the liver has been given to you, but now you never deliver the liver. So let us take our liver back. God bless you. Nigeria is tired of story.
But do you not think that these guys, do you not think this government can bribe this imam and pastor not to talk?
You know, say, ma'am, see, when you are talking, don't talk with imam and pastor. Talk generality of Nigeria. Nigeria generality are suffering. They are tired. Nothing like imam, nothing like pastor, nothing like Agbawoli. Nothing. See, the other day, president, before that, say, you see, there is a sign. The language is not good. The spirits are not happy. The gods are angry. They are angry. See, that is systematic truth. You can't change it. The gods are angry because you are suffering his children. So there must be protests to express their angriness. They are angry. They are not, the other day, Lagos State governor, he said, pray for your president. Before he will bring that kind of statement, he don't know, say, the land, they know bad room. He said, pray. What is the meaning of pray? Maybe they pray for president when people are suffering, when they're not happy. Majority of Nigeria, they are even swearing for them. See, that is the opposite, saying they pray. Opposite of pray. Now what? Now swear. So when you are not afraid, you are not looking for someone to rescue you. You do your work. Everybody get in work. Okay, fellow Nigeria, oh, sorry, I don't do that. Okay, area, rice. He got the capacity to say, rice make it be 50,000 or 40,000 or 30,000. This is the president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. The customer there, open the border. What are you afraid for?
What
are you afraid for? Why are you letting Nigeria be suffering and be waiting for your patients? December now, Julia. Next one, see, we are tired. So we spoke the truth. We the para because we are not badun. Because the truth is the truth. The truth will set you free. And the truth must be said. We are not happy. Nigeria is not happy. Nigeria is out of the game. They are suffering totally. You can't compare Nigeria with another country. Although things they have for some country, but the whole world know. But Nigeria is too big for this merciless sufferance. We don't tire. Tell them say any imam, gume, bishop, any on the first. Anyhow, everybody ejapa go and tell them say hungry don't pass. Quota don't pass Gary.
Not the devilish way like in Nigeria. Thank you very much for that question. Protest or no protest? A man to come out and they say nothing will stop them. Not to protest on the pastor or something like that. What can they protest on towards the Buhari regime? Buhari regime, the things go where? Is the things in Nigeria work where? In Buhari regime. Is Nigeria vote where? Buhari regime, why can't they come out and protest? When will Nigeria are dying? COVID, I don't want to pass through in COVID-19. Other Buhari regime, we know what to pass through. In terms of hardship, the currency, food, we know what to pass through. High cost of food under Buhari regime. Doesn't it not affect them? Why can't they come out and protest by then? You see now they're coming out, they're coming out to, to vomit out. Or to shout out that the Buhari government, the tinubu government is bad. Does the Buhari government good? I don't know the same. Is it not the same APC government? Government? Their own APC. They should not tell us, they should not come out and fooling us. They should stop all those mess. What Buhari was really, we know what to pass through. Nigeria know what they pass through under Buhari regime. The North does not come out and shout out or come out to protest. Tinubu work with Buhari. Tinubu do not come out and criticize Buhari for 8 years. So it's a thought to support Tinubu now. It's a thought to support Tinubu. They should not talk about protest. They should support Tinubu. Yes, but Tinubu support them. Carry them along. Support them for complete 8 years. Campaign for them. For complete 8 years, they rule. 2020. All the manner of things that Nigeria pass through. The Northerners does not come out and measure protest. Is it because the tinubu government has affected them now? Now they are talking about protest. Who is going to protest? Is it them? Is it the Western are talking about protest? Of course, the Western can never come out and tell you about protest. They can never.
But some of them, I think they're in support too.
How many of them? How many of them?
But should the Igbos join the protest?
Do you want Igbo man to use the hand and collect the bullets? Remember what happened in ESAS? End of the day, they turned it against Igbo man. They turned it against the Easterners. The ESAS protest. Double of Lagos. Including the double of Lagos. They turned it against the Igbos. The ESAS protest. Now, do you want Igbo man to join you again? No. You don't want Igbo man, you don't love Igbo man. How can Igbo man join protest? I have told them, Igbo man can never join protest. What you are talking about is freedom. That is our mission. Freedom. That's what they are talking about. So when you are telling me Igbo man to protest with you, I think you are beating around the bush. You are beating around the bush. You are the owner of Nigeria. The rights belong to them. They are to decide whatever they want to do in Nigeria. They are to decide. Igbo man don't have man to decide for them. It's only them to decide what is going to happen in Nigeria. He did not got Igbo man along. He don't want Igbo man to work with you. Then he wants Igbo man to come and protest. End of the day, you turn it against the Easterners. You said the Easterners want to pollute their land because they are now in power. Because because their brother is not there. That's why they are coming out of for their name. Yoruba man cannot tell you that you want to protest. Lie. Of course, they have told you if you want to protest, go to your land. That's what Yoruba told you. Are we one? Can Nigeria be like Kenya? They are protesting today. The country is not working.
Well, Kenya, they speak different languages, just like Nigeria.
Of course.
They are together.
They're together. They speak two different language. But there's love there. That's one voice.
Protest, there was success.
They are working together. They are doing this with one voice. They are behaving like one blood. That's why you can see that protest last Saturday how many weeks in Kenya. And I think they got what they want. They got it right. Is Nigeria one? If Nigeria is one, the country cannot be messing up like this. Our leader cannot be using us like a fool. They just use us like a fool. They just use us like a fool. They just do whatever they like. They will call you noise maker. It's not one country. It's not one country. That is why I say that the country is not working. That it can never work. It can never work. Because if Nigeria to work, to Buhari will see a sample. To Buhari regime will see a sample. But at the end of the day, when they criticize Jonathan, condemn Jonathan, heaven and earth. They say it's a bad luck, not good luck. Now who is good luck now? Jonathan is bad luck. Now who is good luck? But you come out on air or come out public and tell us who is good luck now. When Jonathan is bad luck. That's how they condemn Jonathan. Because of power. Because of what their selfish interest, what they want to eat. What they want to benefit for their pocket. To reach their pocket. They condemn Jonathan and put Jonathan away. End of the day, the good luck now we haven't seen. When they condemn that man as bad luck. We don't good one be good luck. Let them come and tell us. So what are we talking? Nigeria can never be one. Nigeria is not one voice. And Nigeria can not reason. Who can't reason together? Who can't reason the same? Who reason different? Who reason different? If we are reasoning with like one blood or one country, I think Nigeria will come out in mass and protest all those mess. Tell them enough is enough for all this mess. How long are we controlling a certain percent with the people? We have been praying. At the end of the day, no account to give. So, protest or no protest, that's their own cup of tea. The Igbo man can never join them. I don't know pray for Igbo man. I cannot first eat the incidents. to join them. Because when the Igbo man join them, they will turn this against the Easterners, against the Igbos. Mostly the Yoruba, because they are in power today. Yorubas are ruling today. They will turn it against Igbos. They will come after Igbos. If the Easterners come to protest, they will turn us against it. They will begin to destroy. They know how to do that. They will begin to destroy our property. So what we are praying for is freedom. We are not talking about Nigeria any longer. The Igbos, you can see that they are talking about Nigeria. Our president Nigeria today is Igbo Fulanis. Who have Igbo Fulanis? Who have the typical Igbos? So let them go and join their protest. The protest is not for Easterners. No, the protest is not for biafra. They should go to hell with their protest. It's not they just break. We have been telling them for long that this is not working well. They refuse. They say our mouth is smelling. Hence we come from east. They say our mouth is smelling. Now they are crying out. Let them go and protest. The Igbo man can never just protest. Thank you very much.